a little live kasi we will not have a long form live kasi si host ay layas muna, lalayas muna si host. So day off muna tayo sa mga long form live. So ganitong mga ano lang muna, short live stream. Oh, 35 minutes already. Woohoo! Oh, I'm live 35 minutes already, babe. Huh? I can handle like 35 to 1 hour live because we will be hitting the low signal here, the road. So we would not have a good signal once we get to the mountainous area, but we'll see. So mga panaka-naka na mga live itong gagawin natin, guys. I will do a little by little live. Oh wow, look at this area here, it's beautiful. Gawin ko ngang highlight ito. Oh, marami na naman akong pang premiere na highlight. Sis Anggeng P from Marisalas, you know Don Bosco School at the Technology Schools of Theology, Paranaque City. Yes, Sir Jacob. Bakit Marisalas? Taga doon ka din ba? Taga Paranaque ka ba, Marisalas? Marie? It's so nice here.
It is, yeah.
It's beautiful here, guys. So, kaya mag-end na tayo soon kasi mag-video naman ako ng mga pang premiere ba. Aroy, naiihi na ako. Beautiful. That's really a few minutes walk away from the net. Oh my gosh. Wow. Michi Manalo. Mega love, shout out Sisi. Ooh. Did you see that?
Rest area?
Yeah, 1 mile.
So they got facilities.
Oh. I'm living in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Malapit lang ba? Michi, malapit ka lang sa sa Better Living. Mga mayayaman pala kayo. Doon pala kayo nakatira sa mga subdivision ng mga magaganda dyan sa Paranaque. Sana all. Sana all, Jacob and Nanette. Sana all. No tractor trailers. It did not say that there is no facility, so we can go in. Oh, shoo. Oh, shoo. Oh, shoo. It's okay, babe. It's okay. Beautiful. Sasakay pa ng jeep. Sasakay ng jeep papunta sa Better Living. Oy, magiging magkapit-bahay na kayo ni Jacob and Nanette. Diyan sa kaysa Better Living sila. Nag-stay kasi kami diyan sa bahay ng auntie ko dati sa Paranaque, pero hindi sila sa sa subdivision nakatira, ibang subdivision na natirahan nila. Pero malapit sila sa Don Bosco. They live close to Don Bosco. Need to go out the village and take a jeepney. Not that far from my place. Oh, nice. Nanette is in Better Living Don Bosco. Oh, sa Don Bosco, Better Living.